Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to fix lag instantly in Call of Duty Mobile. Well, to do that, first step is to go to your settings, then tap on the audio and graphics tab. Then in here, reduce lag by changing the graphics settings. So from medium, choose low and increase the frame rate to high. Additionally, turn off features like real-time shadows. So scroll down, then disable real-time shadows and realistic scopes. So just turn it off as this can put extra strain on your device's hardware. Another tip is shader preload. A lesser known setting that can significantly reduce lag is this shader preload. This feature can be found in the Audio and Graphics tab under Settings. When enabled, the game loads a simplified version of the map before you can enter the game, putting less pressure on your GPU and reducing the likelihood of lag. Keep in mind that this process can take 3 to 5 minutes to complete, but it only needs to be done once per sessions. Another tip is to adjust field of view. A high field of view can provide a competitive advantage but can also cause lag. If you're experiencing lag, consider reducing your FOV to a level between 55 and 60. So find this FOV, then reduce it to the level of 55 or 60. This will lower the amount of data your device needs to render, reducing the likelihood of lag. Also, having a phone cooler can help you fix lag instantly in Call of Duty Mobile. So you can also buy this to reduce your lag on your mobile game. And that's how to fix lag instantly in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.